After starting the school year with high hopes, the persistent threat of a highly infectious virus shattering many college plans. SUNY Oneonta in New York calling it quits for on-campus classes, sending all of its students home for the rest of the semester after more than 500 cases of COVID. The chancellor saying in a statement the college needs to take action to contain the virus and prevent further community spread. Temple University coming to a similar conclusion after hundreds of infections there.
Really hoped that this would be able to work, but the data just was too obvious for us.
Turning a recent 2-week pause period into a near total jump into online learning.
It was kind of a general consensus between my family and I that I'm going home.
But the wisdom of sending students home questioned by some prominent public health officials.
We are not recommending that they send an infected college student home, because what you're then doing is you're getting an infected person and putting them back in the community to spread infections.
At the University of Miami, President Dr. Julio Frank told us 2 weeks ago the school favored keeping kids within sight on campus.
We can supervise, control, educate much better the behavior of young people when they're actually spending a big part of the day with us.
Students we spoke with applauded the efforts.
What are they doing at the University of Miami to make you feel comfortable?
So we have a daily symptom checker, and you have to report how you're feeling or if you've been in close contact with anybody that you've known that has COVID.
The University of South Carolina has touted its testing.
So this is my quarantine space.
But now has more than 1,000 students who've contracted the virus. Senior Mason Howard is one of them.
Does it feel manageable to you? Or does this feel like something that's growing out of control?
To me, right now, it feels like it's growing out of control, just with the curve is exactly what an exponential growth curve looks like. They're unable to limit students to just staying on campus.
Howard, who's currently in isolation on campus, says quarantine spaces are filling up fast.
And the University of South Carolina says its priority is the health and safety of students, faculty, and staff. They had to temporarily stop their saliva testing because a key staffer got sick. And guys, it's important to note, even at universities where there is massive amounts of testing, like the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign, they had to institute undergraduate lockdowns after outbreaks there as well. Chanel, back to you.
Such a challenge. All right, Sam, thank you.